Before we started recording, you were telling us that you found some old Queen tapes.
Yeah, you're not supposed to say that. We agreed. You weren't going to say that. No. Yeah. Well, we did. We've been looking around and finding stuff. We're always finding stuff. And among my great mountain of cassettes from the early days, we found a box which just had a concert written on it. And it turned out to be one of our very, very first shows, earlier than anything that's ever been out there. One of those shows that we put together ourselves in a lecture theatre in Imperial College in mechanical engineering. And we invited about 100 people, of which probably 70 came along. All the important people didn't come. Mostly our friends came. And we put on a show. And we gave them orange juice and popcorn and hoped that we would be discovered. I mean, it's flawed because we are flawed. And it's very early days. We're very rough and raw. But I like it. I found it quite magical to listen to it.
So does that mean you are likely to share that magic with your adoring public, that 1970 gig?
Yeah, I need to have a conversation with Rog. We're probably the only two who will care. So, yeah, we'll talk about it and see what we can do.